Hey guys, Tamara here, and whoa, I have got some exciting news for you today. OMG, I joined this mentorship program for high ticket affiliate marketing called the Figure Accelerator about 2 weeks ago, and I have to say I'm blown away. So in this video, I'm going to go over the reasons why I joined, the income proof from many members in the program, as well as the bonuses that you get from the Figure Accelerator, as well as my exclusive bonuses, and a quick tour inside the membership site. Okay, so if you're ready, let's go. All right, let's start off with income proof, okay? And this is the free Facebook group that you'll get once you click on the link below and opt in. You'll get invited to this group. So check this out. This lady here, Mel, she's English and she's a teacher, or was a teacher, I think, after this. And in 1 month, she earned over $102,000 in 1 month. Check it out. Crazy. And honestly, you'll just go through this Facebook group and see proof. Look, 58K in 60 days as a stay-at-home mom. There's her again. There's just loads of these in here. So Philip, the creator, he launched the Figure Accelerator 5 months ago, and he has now already created over 900 people earning 4-figure affiliate commissions, because the minimum commission you will make per sale is $1,000. He's also got over 30 people who are now 6-figure earners over the year, and 6 people who are on track for 7 figures per year. That is incredible. So not only can you make high-ticket affiliate commissions, but you'll also learn how to grow your Instagram and TikTok followers. So this is all through free traffic. There's no paid traffic. It's literally through TikTok and Instagram. And check out, this guy has gained over 50,000 followers in 3 days on TikTok and Instagram. Crazy. So keep going. Every day you're going to see posts like this. And then fill up during the week, $131,000 day. And then the day before it was 3,000. And then her and her husband earned over $11,000 in 1 day. 1 day. There is a post in here about that. But yeah, like I said, just goes on and on. 5,500. Because there's different levels of the program. So when you come in at the basic level, which is the Figure Accelerator, it is $1,000 commissions. And then if you come in the elite level, which is what I did, then my minimum is $1,200, and that goes up to $6,300, because you have the opportunity to get the elite level or to work one-on-one with Philip, and there's a couple levels for that as well. All right, I was just trying to see if I could find a couple that made 11 grand. And this is their 5th time they've hit over 10 grand in 1 day. All right, I can't seem to find it, but it just goes on and on. So let's now talk about their bonuses. So for your first 5 sales that you make, you'll get $1,000 bonus. So 6 grand. And that goes all the way up to 100 sales. You'll get a $30,000 bonus. So if that isn't just incredible, I don't know what is. All right, now let's go check out my bonuses. So the video I'm recording right now is going to go here. First of all, you're going to get a copy of my free Ed Premium bonus page, and I will edit it for you and I will host it for you. And you just need to send me your photo, full name, TikTok and Instagram links, profile, and your 7-figure case study link as well. And then I'll also give you one-on-one support via emails until you make your first sale. You'll also get instant access to my kind of affiliate marketing hub membership site, as well as you'll get all these. There is some more traffic sources, but like I said, we basically focus on just Instagram and TikTok, but of course you can use any traffic you want. When you're just opt-in on my email list, you're going to get these 4 gifts for free. And then once you became a member, then yeah, just send me the receipt and you're going to get all of these bonuses. And these are all video courses. All right, just to help you as well. There's one book. All right, so you'll get all of that, plus a copy of your bonuses yourself. So with the 7-Figure Accelerator, it's 90% of the work is done for you. There's nothing for you to set up. They will set up your funnel for you. So like when you click on the link below, this is the page you'll come to, and then you just pop in your email here and you'll get a 30-minute case study from Philip. And then once you get your emails, make sure you check the route from me tomorrow and Philip, and then you'll also get emails from Philip. So make sure you check your spam and promo folders, mark those as safe so you get those, because he's going to send you a 17 video, which is worth $1,000 for free training program. So that's it. So you'll get this, it's set up for you, and then there's 60 emails follow-ups. So you'll also get those as well. Again, set up for you with your affiliate links in there. Also, we're getting a brand new funnel. It's now 2nd of April today. And with that new funnel, basically, you're going to be able to join 7-Figure Accelerator right away if you want. And then there's also going to be 0% financing option, which means you can then pay it over months. I think it goes up to a year, but you'll pay 0% interest. That's crazy. I've never even heard of that in affiliate marketing. So that's a really awesome, unique feature as well. And another unique feature is Philip spent, I don't even know how much, I think it's about $100K on building his unique tracking software. So when someone does go to your page like this, which is going to change, like I said, in a week or so. So I've seen the new funnel. Don't worry if it doesn't look like this. Okay. As long as you're hitting that button below, it'll come to my page. So once you opt in, then you're tracked for lifetime. Like your leads are then tracked for lifetime. So say that someone doesn't want to join in a month or 2 months, 3 months down the road. And if they do purchase, then that will be tracked to you and you'll get the sale, which is really cool. So it's like cookies, but it's not cookies. It's better than cookies. So there's that. Also in my bonus page, so when I give you your version of it, you just need to add in the URL link I give you to the free copy, and then same kind of deal. I'll put in your email here by clicking here. I'll put your email in there so they will email you with their receipt. So you can then send them a copy of the premium bonus page. So let's have a little look inside. So this is what I got. I got the Inner Circle Elite Mentoring. And another thing I love about it, so this is the 7-Figure Accelerator, right? The course. And there is over 100 videos in here. So the reason I got the Elite is because I make commissions on all the levels. With the 7-Figure Accelerator, you make $1,000 commissions just on the 7-Figure Accelerator. So if anybody wants to get the one-on-one mentorship with Philip, then you don't get commissions on those. But with the Elite, which is the next level up, you do. With the one-on-one mentorship, he will show you everything. He knows how you can make $100,000 per month online, and he will work one-on-one with you until you get there. That's guaranteed. So you do have options as well. And another great thing is for the one-on-one mentorship levels, like the Elite and up, you basically book a call on WhatsApp with one of his salespeople. So they deal with the sales as well. And so that's what I'm saying. Like 90% of the work is done for you because you don't have to set up your own sales funnel, website, emails. All that's done for you. Literally all you have to do is focus on making 3 videos a day for TikTok and Instagram. That's pretty much it. So that takes what, an hour, maybe 2 tops. That's it for the day. You're done work. So making videos is not much work, to be honest. Now you'll have my bonuses, so you even get the bonuses done for you as well. So these are all the different modules. So the first thing you want to do is do this one. So under each module, there's different months of videos, but this is the first thing you want to do. And then, so we got traffic, all this. I'll just have a look at all the modules. And you can, with the training you're to learn in here, you can promote any offer. You don't have to promote the 7-Figure Accelerator. It'll work for any kind of offer. I'm just promoting it because, one, I think it's an awesome program because it's not just these videos. The beauty is, as a 7-Figure Accelerator, you're going to get 1 to 2 live Zoom calls every single week. They're on Wednesday mornings. And with the Elite, I get an extra one on Mondays. So I get Monday and Wednesday. And the great thing about these is that they're just FAQs. So there's me there. I wasn't looking great for camera. So on the camera, there are over 200 participants. And you put your hand up and just say, oh, okay, Philip, can you look at my Instagram or TikTok profile? Or take a look at this video that I modeled on a video that went viral, but mine didn't. Why is that? And you show him the original video and then yours, and he'll literally go through and give constructive criticisms on how to get better, or do those videos better, all that jazz. So these are valuable. It's not just your bog standard live that nothing really, you don't learn anything on it, to be honest. So love that. And not to mention that I've been on 3 now, and they've all lasted 2.5 to 3 hours. He doesn't really stop until everyone's got their questions answered. Love that. That's a rare thing to find. Let's look under traffic, just to see how many modules you'll get in here. So there's 3 pages. So if you've never done this before, like most of those top earners I showed you have never done affiliate marketing before. They all work 9-to-5 jobs or stay-at moms or dads. They didn't really even use social media. Maybe they use it to look, but not to post. So they're all starting from scratch. So that's 1 page, and he even gives you the hashtags to use, what the call to actions to use, like literally anything you can think of, it's in here. And like I said, he's always adding new ones on here as well. I'm starting a brand new TikTok and Instagram account, even though on my TikTok account I have over 10,000 followers, 10,500 followers, but I just want to do it like I'm being taught in this course. So I'm starting up a brand new one, and we'll see how that goes. So I think that is about it for my 7-Figure Accelerator review and why I joined myself. So if you have any questions, leave them below, or once you opt in, just reply to any of my emails and I'll get back to you ASAP. All right, before you go, make sure you hit the notification bell and subscribe. You can keep track of when my new videos come out. All right, hope to see you on the inside, and have yourself an awesome day. Cheers.